Hey guys, so just giving you guys a tour of my gym, seeing that it's empty today, but it's the UE Sports Medicine Clinic. Hey guys, what's up? We're going to interrupt the video, but I feel good that I can't just come on here and act like it's business as usual, because I've been missing for like 3 months. Oh my god, I've noticed that I've gained some subscribers. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so very much for subscribing. Those who have been watching my videos still, thank you so very much, you guys. Life has been lifing, okay? We all know that stuff happen, things change, life. So I've been going through so many changes in my life, you guys, like a full 360 change, which I'll tell you guys all about it in the future. I don't like to talk about stuff when they're fresh, but I'll definitely be talking some stuff on this channel. You guys won't even begin to imagine some other stuff, and I'll be talking. So yeah, I'm back. I am back, and I am just here to say welcome, you guys. Welcome back. Maybe I should welcome myself back too, because hey, we've been absent. But thank you guys so very much again for clicking to watch this video, and yeah, let's continue. Oh, before I get out of your way, I have a couple of videos lined up for you guys. Some of the videos are back videos, so I'm gonna post those to get them out of the way, and then we can start from here on. All right, so don't forget to like, if you do, subscribe to my channel if you're watching and you're not subscribed, and turn on, guys, your post notification bell so that you know every time I upload a video. All right, I'm late for church, so I'm gonna go continue watching the video. These are the equipment that we have. You can get a full workout and several programs from the equipment here. It's very open. It's very light. It's small, but it works. It works. So these are the equipment that we have. And this is me. Yes. Legs in my comb. Belly I get flat. Yeah. Bottom I go on. Yes. Yes. See, it's cold. Yeah, so my body kind of going through a body recomposition now, so this section looks smaller, so my shirt all big and my thighs getting thicker. But yeah, so this is what we have, and then on this side we have the beds for physical therapy and massage. Right, and all guys, of that. So this is the pool section. We have I think it's called a hydrotherapy pool. I don't know, I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but I've used the pool a few times, and trust me, even though you're not actually lifting weights, the water itself acts as like a weight and resistance to the movements that you're doing in the pool. So you get a full all-round kind of workout program thing. So yeah, it's a really good clinic. So let's get back to the clip. Hey guys, this is the Sports Medicine Clinic. You guys can come on if you want to get your workout done and stuff. But yeah, anyways, bye guys. Hey guys, good morning. So today is a new day, and I am here in the gym early morning. It's now 8:35. Normally I would work out in the afternoon, but my PT isn't here, who is my trainer. They're having some rugby tournaments, so I have to work out on my own today. So I'm going to show you guys some snippets of what I've been doing. I've been training fewer days for the past few weeks because of the tournament, and we have practicum and everything. By the way, shout out to my student who gave me this SVG, which stands for St. Vincent and the Grenadines shirt. So yeah, I've been so busy with everything, I haven't gotten the chance to work out all the days, but I've been working out some of the days. I've managed to do 3 days for the past 2 to 3 weeks, so I'm not so off track. But yeah, I only work out 2 days this week, and today's Friday. So I'm like, yo, I have to. It's not even about the physique all the time. It's also about your mental health, and it has become a habit now. So it's like I have to do it, right? Even when I don't feel like doing it, I have to do it. So yeah, I'll be working out today. My trainer has decided to let me do full body because just in case I don't get to the 2 upper body days and 2 lower body days, sorry about the phone. Just in case I don't get to the 2 upper body days and 2 lower body days, then I still get my entire body working out. So I've been doing full body, but then next week we're going back to 2 days upper, 2 days lower. All right, so let me show you guys what I'll be doing, the plan for today for the full body workout. All right, guys, so for today's full body, I'll be doing some lat pull downs with this bar. So I'm going to do wide angle grip and then narrow grip. I am at 60 pounds, so I'm going to adjust this. I'm doing 60 pounds for both grips, right? So that's 2. My plan is to do 8 in total. That's what we usually do. So that's 2 wide angle and narrow grip, wide grip and narrow grip. And I'm going to do 10 to 12 reps of that one. Then I'm going to use this. I don't remember what Tajay called this. I don't remember, but I'm going to do face pulls with this one. And I'm also going to do overhead bicep something. I don't remember what's it named, but I'll hopefully I can record it. And I am doing 40 pounds for this one. So that's 2 right there, 2 right there, 2 right here. And then I'm going to do, so that covers my upper body. I might do some ropes for upper body as well. So that's 5, right? And then for lower body, I'm going to do quad extensions here. And I'm at 100 for quad extensions. I'm going to do 4 sets of 8 or 10 for the quad extensions. And then I'm going to do the other one. I don't remember what it's called. Hamstring curls, yes. And for hamstring curls, I'm at 60. So I'm going to do those there. So that's my first 2 lower body. And then I'm going to do some squats on the Smith machine. I'm at 45 pounds. So this is 90 pounds in total. So 45 on that side and then another 45 on that side. So that's 90 pounds squatting. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to do some step ups. So the step ups. How many is that now? So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, and I'm going to do some toe raises with the Smith machine as well using the same 45. So that's about 10 workouts. After that, I'm just going to do like 4 30 seconds plank, and then that completes my workout for today. All right, guys, so that's the program for today. Let's get this done.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away, just stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around,
Alright, you guys, so that was my little warm-up session. So I usually prefer to get the hard things out of the way first. So I'm going to start with my squats, my lower body. I'm going to do all my lower body first, then I do my upper body workouts.
Drop
1 minute plan. So I just did 1. I have 2 more to go. Alright you guys, so that's the end of my workout for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe of course, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Oh, before I go, let me show you guys my stats for today. So it's 9:51 a.m. I did 476 calories, 49 minutes of workout, and 5 steps. So I'll show you guys what my stats look like at the end of the day. Alright, bye guys.